Continuing on with our lesson. All right, I'm going to introduce a new sound to you. The sound is ch. Can you say that 3 times? All right, say it correctly.
Ch, ch, ch.
Very good. All right, so this is the ch. This is the card for ch. CH. Our key word is chin. Can you touch your chin? Good. All right, we're going to leave this right here. So some of the words that we can, some of the words that have the ch sound in it are words like chicken, chocolate. So what we're going to do is I want you to touch your chin every time you hear the ch sound. Okay? Cat, chocolate, show, child. Good. Chicken, frog, cheeseburger. Good job. All right. So what are some words that you can think of that start with the ch sound? No, I'll write them. What words do you think start with the ch sound?
Chip.
Oh, chip. Okay.
Children.
I like that. Children.
Chop.
Stop. That's a good one. One more. Where's somewhere we go on Wednesday night?
Church.
Ooh, church. Good job. All right. That is a great list. This is on a board. All right. Now we are going to write in the sand, in our magic sand. We're going to write the ch sound. Fingers up. Ch. Ready, write.
C H.
Now erase. Write it again. Fingers up, ready, write.
H. C H.
Very good. I know that too. All right. Now we are going to use our tap mat and a pencil and a piece of paper. And I am going to say some words. You're going to get your pencil up, pounder ready, and you're going to tap the words. Ready? The word is such. Pencil up, pounder ready, such.
Such.
Good.
Such.
Such. Ready, right. Very good. All right, this is the word such. Can you read such? Can you read it?
Such.
All right, good. The next word, pencil up, pounder ready, chat.
Chat.
Yeah.
At. Chat.
Good. Write it. Good. All right. Pencil up. Oh, wait. Read it. Good. All right. Pencil up, pounder ready. The word is chum.
Chum. Chum.
Good job. All right. Read it.
Chum.
Very good. Last one. The pencil up, pounder ready. The word is chop.
Chop. Chop. Chop.
Good job. All right, read it.
Chop.
Good. All right, now we are going to pound out some sentences. Ready? I'm going to read the sentence 2 times. Get your pounder ready and pound it out. The chap cannot chat. The chap cannot chat. Pounder.
The chap cannot chat.
Chat.
Yeah.
So let's do it again. The chap cannot chat. Write it.
What was it again?
Ready? Pounder ready? The chap cannot chap. Good. Pencil up, pounder ready. I'm going to read it twice. Chip did chop the log.
Chip did chop the log.
All right. You didn't let me read it twice, but I think you got it. Oh. All right. Here are your two sentences. Read this one first.
Chip did chop the log.
Good. Here's your other one. Ready?
Yes. Chap cannot chap.
Very good. All right. So, you did great. So let's move on to the next part. We're going to review our red words. Being silly. All right, we're going to review our red words. All right, so remember, I'm going to show you the word, and then you are going to load it, and then tap it, and sweep. That one, yes. All right, the word is his.
His. H-I-S. His.
Very good. The word is was.
Was. W-A-S. Was.
Very good. The word is of.
Of. O-F. Of.
Very good. To.
To. T-O. To.
The word is has.
Has. H-A-S. Has.
Very good. Now we're going to practice some. And I'm not going to show you the card, but you're going to still lock it and sweep. Ready? C.
C. S-E-E. C.
Very good. Is.
Is. I-S. Is.
Very good. And. And.
And. A-N-D. And.
Very good. The next one is for.
For. F-O-R.
Very good.
For.
Very good. He.
E. H-E-E.
Very good. That's great. Good job. All right. We are going to pick up with the rest.